Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adish Giri and today I'll be teaching you how to solve a 4x4. A 4x4 is not very different from a 5x5. In this 4x4, the only problem is that you just have to figure out where you have to put the centers. So first we make a bar, like in 5x5. I don't know if it's called a bar or what, but anyways. We make a second bar, place them. So you have to remember the colors, like white is on top, yellow is on bottom, then blue, orange, green, red, like that. Okay, so now the other case which you can get is you'll get only 3 pieces of, and the last piece will be somewhere over there. So what you have to do is you have to align it with this one, this piece, so that when you just push this back down, it should match it. So push this back down, turn it, move it out of the way, bring this bar back. Simple. Now the same way we solve the yellow. So the yellow should go over here, and now another bar, and just solve it. So now we come to these colors. So if you can't remember what to do, like where are all the colors, you remember this sequence: blue, orange, green, red, or BOGR, short form. So I have one orange over here, and then I just make it one green, make a bar. Okay, now another bar is over here, so just make it like this. So orange, green, next will come red. Okay, so most of the red is here, so sometimes you might get confused and add red over here, but you just have to add it over here like this, and now you can just add it again. Okay, so sometimes you mess up and then you do the wrong color. So for that, this is a very simple thing. Take one of the bars and place it on top of the other bar like this, and now put that back again. So now as you can see, it's solved, and I guarantee you it won't break any kind of edges. So now you start solving the edges. So for example, I've already one edge solved over here, and the other one is white, orange, and white, orange. Join them together like this, place them out of the way, put any other unsolved edge back, and then place the edge back. So if you want, you can make the cross also while you're solving the edges, because that's what I used to do when I was a beginner. Now I'll show you what happens when you have last two edges. Okay, so this is the only case which you'll have for the last two edges. So it will be different, like they'll be facing towards each other. So if you remember the flip algorithm which I taught you in 5x5, this is very easy. So you place any edge, like down edge over here like this, and then you do the flip algorithm which goes like this: R, U, R prime, F, R prime, F prime, R. Now place the edge back. As you can see, it got solved. Now there's another case, but in this case you'll have 3 unsolved edges. So it's very simple. Like for example, white, red, and now just keep the unsolved edge so you don't lose it. Now place the red over here. Now place the blue so that it gets perfectly matched with this blue like this. Now when you solve it, it's all back together. Now I know most of the people will stop watching the video from here and they'll be like, yeah, now we just have to solve it like a 3x3. But no, there are some special cases. So for example, this is not possible in a 3x3. It will either be parallel or L-shaped. But in this case, it's just one edge, which is yellow. So do the normal thing which you make, like how you make a cross. And now we do the priority algorithm from this side, the unsolved side, which goes like this: R u2 x, which means bottom, then do R u2 R u2 prime R u2 R prime u2, and then R prime u2 R prime u2 R prime R u2, and then R prime u2, and then R prime. So this should solve the cross. Now there's another weird case which you can get. So now you'll get this case in which this is not possible in a 3x3, where only two edges are unsolved. So in this case, what you have to do is you have to do this special algorithm. It goes like this: R2, which is middle layer, u2 prime R2 u2 double u2 prime R2 u2 prime. And make sure you do it from, when the L is like this, you do it from this side, and if it's a parallel, then you can do it from any side you want. Now this should solve the cube. You can go on doing the beginner's method or the CFOP method, whichever one you like. So thank you for watching the video, and please like, share and comment on the video, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.